Hey there, ECP team. My name is Charles Hubbell with Action Selling, and I'm going to be joining you live September 23rd through the 25th in Kansas City, Missouri for the ECP-driven 2024 conference. Now, during this conference, I'm going to show you the action selling process, how simple it is, how logical it is, and how effective it can make each and every conversation that you have with a customer. This is a commitment-based selling process you'll be able to start using right away. So after I give an overview of the process, we're going to jump into breakouts and work on taking the theoretical into reality. Now, during the breakout, I'm going to show you how to build better relationships and ask better questions so that you can uncover differentiated needs. And then how you can take those differentiated needs and have a presentation that solves the specific problems that are truly important to your customers. I get excited about this. I'm excited to join you in this interactive and engaging work, and we're going to have a good time while we're doing it. Now, this is all happening, remember, September 23rd through the 25th, which does make me wonder, how many of you are signed up already? How aware were you that the deadline for signing up for this event is the end of this week? Oh yeah, it's August 19th. That's the deadline to get signed up for the entire event. What would the consequences be if you missed the August 19th deadline to register and you find out that you're going to miss this? So, because you don't want to miss this, as soon as this video ends, the next thing that I want you to do is click on the link to register before August 19th. And that way, you'll be all set to go, and you'll reap the benefit of the knowledge and exciting experience of the conference. So, how will that work for you? Will you do it? I'm Charles with Action Selling, ready to help you forge better relationships with your customers. We'll see you then. Click on the link.